This is TMUA 2021, Paper 1, Question 12. Okay, we're told that the minimum value of x to the 4 minus p squared x squared is equal to negative 9, and p is a real number. And we're asked to work out the minimum value of this quadratic, which is x squared minus px plus 6. Okay, so p is unknown. So what would be the first thing to maybe work out? Maybe work out what p is. So we're told that the minimum value of this is negative 9. So maybe let's try and work that out. How might we do that? There's a couple of methods of doing this. Maybe completing the square, or maybe differentiating this. Why would differentiation be a difficult task? Because this is a quartic. So when you differentiate this, you have 3 turning points. And so you're going to have to check individually which one of those 3 turning points is our minimum. So let's complete the square again instead. And we can complete the square in the variable of x squared. So doing that, we can factorize it as x squared minus p squared over 2, all squared, minus p to the 4 over 4. And because the minimum is negative 9, that means the minimum value of this occurs when this bracket is 0, as this is always positive. And the minimum value is minus p to the 4 over 4. That means 9 is p to the 4 over 4, i.e. p to the 4 is 36. So let's maybe square root this, and therefore p squared is either plus 6 or minus 6. Okay, let's be careful now. What could p be then? Well, we know that since p is real, if p squared was negative 6, then we can't square root this. Therefore, p squared must be equal to 6. But we don't know if p is root 6 or minus root 6. So let's just leave this at this point and maybe return to the function we're trying to minimize. We've got x squared minus px plus 6. Let's work out the minimum value of this, and by maybe completing the square again. Complete the square, you get x minus p over 2, all squared minus p squared over 4, plus 6. So we know the minimum value of this expression occurs when x is p over 2, and the minimum value is exactly 6 minus p squared over 4. But we know, since p squared is 6, this is precisely 6 minus 6 over 4. Simplifying this down gives us 4.5. So our answer is E.